Oh, thank you.
Okay, hi, this is Kelly. She's my wife, and she woke up this morning after last night of, what were you doing? You were reading or something?
I don't know. I woke up this morning with really bad vertigo, and when I turn my head, I spin.
To the left.
Yes, and
Okay.
I don't want to do that
I should stand
again.
on the other side. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to check her spine, because many of those, as far as vertigo, it starts from the upper cervical spine, but we're going to check her spine, whole spine today, and try to clear that out, okay? So let's go
Yes.
face down, Kelly.
Okay.
You can feel that, right?
Yeah, really bad.
All right, so we're going to have to, let me adjust this first. Line your left side facing me, Kelly.
Well,
It's a little hard to lie on your left because of the spinning.
yeah,
You okay there?
I just feel nauseous when I'm on
Okay,
this.
how are we doing? Did it stop spinning?
No, I
No.
gotta.
So she's got, let me see your eyeballs. Let me see. Okay. So a lot of times, we just gotta, how
I'm
you
not gonna
doing?
be able to lay on my left side.
Okay, all right, it's all right. We'll fix that, okay? All right. Okay, so let's go face down. Good.
Thank you.
Excellent. Good. Excellent. Okay, we're gonna have you lie on her back, okay?
Okay.
Now, since she has vertigo, and it's tough for her to go lie down on her back too, so she can't turn to the left. I'm gonna bring her all the way up this way. And slide down a little bit. Is that better, Kelly? Okay. I'm gonna bring your hair, which, can I have some of this hair? Okay. 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 Take a deep breath. And open up your eyes. So, feel that right there?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh,
And we go to the left. Now, you may be able to see, if she turns to the left, her eyes will start getting a little nystagmus. It kind of flips back and forth. Let's see, it's not doing it right now. Okay. Just come right in here. How are we doing, Cal?
okay.
Right there. Good.
Oh, thank you.
Perfect. Excellent. How are we doing? Okay, take a deep breath.
Okay.
Excellent. Okay, so now we're gonna have you just sit up. Let me help you.
I
Right
got it.
there. Good. And we're gonna go see if you can lie down now on your back.
Okay.
Just like right here. How are we doing?
Okay.
Doing okay?
Yeah,
All right,
much
let's
better.
slide down this way. Okay, right there. Where's the strap? All right,
Yeah, that's much better.
okay, good. All right, so now we're just gonna bring your hair right through this Y strap. Right there, good. Now, how's that on your ears, okay?
That's fine, yeah, thank you.
Okay, so take a deep breath.
Oh, yeah, I love that. Thank you.
Okay. Just relax there for a moment. Take a deep breath. Open your eyes. Okay. Good. Okay, let me just help you on this. There. Feel different with the tone? so now what we're going to do, much better tone. So now what we're going to do is we're going to sit you up, okay?
Okay.
So come on up. Let's turn and face. How are we doing? Okay. Okay, take a deep breath. Let me see your eyes. Okay. Stop spinning. Good. Okay. So let's turn around to the other side. I want you to sit where it's a little flatter right here.
Okay.
Good. Okay. So can you turn your head to the right? Go ahead and turn to the right. Turn to the left.
Okay.
Big test.
Oh yeah, much better.
So it's not spinning like it did?
No.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you. Sorry, it just makes me nervous because I'm afraid
I
I was
know.
going to spin
I
back
know.
down.
I know. Okay. All right, good job.
Thank
Okay.
you.
So a lot of people come into my office and they have vertigo.
It's very
and
scary.
Yeah, it can be real scary. So, but as you can see with this, a lot of times it can be pretty immediate relief. So, anyhow, power's on. Okay?
Thank you.